Aviation has been a big interest in my life. My dad was a pilot, so when we were kids, we would go up with him often. And then in high school was when I really started getting serious about aviation. So I found out about PIA just through my own general research. It was right at the end of college, and I had taken a mechanics and electronic class, just a couple base courses, and I was really interested in it, so I just researched schools around that could offer something along those lines, and PIA was the first one to pop up. I would say one of my favorite projects that I did, in actually a whole quarter, was fifth quarter was my favorite. It was sheet metal, and I like how precise it is. It's very accurate. There's some math involved to figure things out. Most challenging part for me personally, from what I learned at PIA, was working with people who have different mindset than your own. But it was a great learning experience because you have to learn how to work in teams with others, which is what it's going to be like when you go out and get a job. Anywhere you get one, you have to work with people who think differently than you and who do things differently than you. I think one of the biggest things of why I'm proud to be a PIA graduate is the opportunities that they give you while you're here. The AMC competition was a huge opportunity that they gave to me, where I went down and competed with a number of peers and a number of companies, and I met a lot of very interesting people. I would definitely recommend PIA to a friend. And I think the biggest thing I would say is how many jobs there are right now and what a deficit there is for not only pilots, but also mechanics. It's just, the field's wide open.